Welcome in a new video. Today we'll be comparing this trike to this pit bike. Let's go! First contestant, the trike. It's a 125cc 4-stroke engine. It has a reverse, neutral and drive. We estimate it has around 7 horsepower and it's an absolute wheelie machine. The second contestant, the pit bike. It's also a 125cc 4-stroke engine with 4 gears and neutral. We estimate it has around 8 horsepower. First challenge of today, lap times. Both the vehicles will be driving around the track. The fastest lap counts. Let's see who wins. 3, 2, 1, go!
What happened?
I fell and then the chain fell off.
Oh, that's nice.
Chain fell off.
52!
Hey.
We'll be right back with some more lap times, but it's quite hot. It's like 12 degrees Celsius, but still hot because the sun is shining. So we'll get some drinks and we'll be right back.
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! $22.37.
My best time was 22:37. Now it's Tim's time again on the pit bike. His fastest time was 23.4. Let's see if he can break his own time.
3, 2, 1, go!
He beat my time.
22:29.
Oh!
The winner of the lap times is the pit bike, with its fastest lap being 22:29 versus the trike with 22:37. This point goes to the pit bike. Alright, what next?
A race? 5 laps?
5 lap race.
Tim doesn't want to.
He doesn't want to.
Because one lap was alright, but then it was not as slippery as it is now.
But you are scared.
I know I'm gonna fall.
But
So
what-
yes,
Maybe I crashed too. I did crash in the trees right there.
I saw.
And what if Gerco drives
I'm
on the
gonna
pit
drive
bike?
5 laps,
Yes?
but I'm
Yeah, I know.
doing,
Yeah, but you have
excursions.
No, you said the pit bike were faster, so you need to be faster.
on
Yeah.
the straight.
No.
I said on the
around
straight
track.
lane.
Around the track.
No.
Yes.
Around
Are
the
we
track.
gonna do the turns?
Yes, with turns.
No.
Then he has no chance.
Then I have no chance indeed.
Let's just do then the
Okay.
normal track. Alright.
The thing drives me, I don't drive this thing.
Okay, 5 lap race. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, around the corner, around the corner.
I think Tim will win. I meant Gerco. Yeah, Gerco will be fast. If you can overtake him, he will be gone.
Oh,
This is the corner where Gerco needs to do it. Tim is slow here and Gerco is fast, so...
Oh, it's close.
Ah, Gerco can't get him. We can't get him.
And he's still trying to press Tim. It's amazing.
Oh no! Tim misshifted, Gerco ran into him. One more! You won!
Oh damn!
I didn't think that.
That was exhausting.
Yeah.
It was a good race.
Oh!
We did 6 laps, didn't we?
Yes, we did 6.
So we were at the exact same time. That was the final lap, right? When we crossed it at the exact same time.
Yeah, maybe.
That was the 5th lap. That's why that time I pushed in so I could get at the same time.
I wasn't counting.
I didn't either, I was just driving.
It was the 5th lap.
But damn, those things are even.
Yes, but he was stuck behind you, I think.
I could get you was right in that corner.
Yeah, because
but I couldn't get
it's
past
only
it.
water there. It's just one big mud puddle. So you see my tracks, but here I was scared because if I give too much gas here, my back end just goes under me.
There was only one crash.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, only one crash.
Yeah, but you
You
lost your speed and
now
then
I lost all my power. I had to build up the RPMs.
boost.
The boost.
Clutch.
It's just a one big turbo block. There's mud in your intake. Also
Yes.
in
Yes.
mine. I sprayed you a lot.
Yeah, maybe try something with the tractor.
The winner was hard to tell, but after watching back the footage we saw that we indeed raced for 6 laps, so the Pitbike didn't win. If you look at the piece of plastic, the trike crossed it first, so the trike won this round.
Alright guys, we're back at the shop. Let's fix the chain issues on both of the bikes.
What happened?
I fell and then the chain fell.
Oh, that's nice.
Hi Gerco. Incognito. Getting some drinks. Thank you.
I'll wait for you. Let's both quench. It's time to do a drag race. This round clearly goes to the Pitbike. The Pitbike is in lead with 1 point. Alright, it's time for the wheelie competition. Tim is going on the Pitbike. He's definitely gonna crash. That is
For sure.
for sure. And I'll be going on the trike. And I won't crash probably. Or I go backwards, that's also a possibility.
Yeah, sometimes the brake doesn't have any pressure, so then if you go too far backwards,
I probably will crash. We'll be doing some wheelies here on the track, and after that we'll be doing some on the road with the drone. And then we're gonna decide which one looks better when doing wheelies. And also you can leave a comment on which one was better in the wheelies, of course. Yeah, let's go.
and a dike. Some standing wheelies.
Oh, again. Nothing.
You broke it.
There's not much in there, but it should be enough to start. Yeah, there's nothing that has to be connected right there.
Five minutes later.
We're gonna take a nap.
Good luck.
Alright, what are we gonna do about it? I have a good idea. We're gonna film the pit bike and hopefully it will start by the time we get back to the trike.
It will repair itself.
It will.
Yeah, la la la, la la, the sun is shining. Yeah, wrenching. He is pushing the trike away. Ba-da-bum-bum. I'm driving the pit bike, going for a wheelie and then on my back. Woo.
We just tell Jonathan to start a trike and then he broke it. We didn't. Right at the tree!
Nice one.
There's no brake left.
Let's head back because... Ah, no. Oh, there's Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan heading for the corner. Jonathan! Jonathan! Oh! On a personal scooter. Nice one.
You wanna come and ride with me? You might.
Jonathan!
Here. Alright, let's ride with my bike back.
One problem. The back tire of the pit bike. There is an inner tube in it, but it's completely gone. So I have no air in it. And so the wheelie competition, I ain't gonna compete in that because it's just too dangerous. If I hit the brakes, the rim stops spinning, but the tire still spins. Here are the cinematic shots for you.
If you made it this far in the video, thanks a lot. While you watched the last clips of the wheelie competition and crash with the drone, I want to ask a few things. But first, we thought the trike did a better job at wheeling, so the point goes to the trike. You might think it's a tie, but no, the pit bike is not drivable anymore, so the point for durability goes to the trike, which makes the trike the ultimate winner. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. It gives us the motivation to continue making videos. We tried a new way of video making with voiceovers. Please leave a comment if it's better than live commentary or if you should switch back. Thank you for watching. Until next time.